welcome to my little, I still don't know what I'm gonna call it, but it's gonna be kind of like Vlogmas, but I'm not committing to 24 videos. I'm outside. But I'm thinking it could be like 12 days of Christmas, basically. And today is the first day. We're actually on a little mini getaway. This is the house we're staying in. It's beautiful. Typical Swedish little cute cottage house thing. So we rented this house on Airbnb, and now today's our first day. We came here last night when it was super dark, so we haven't actually seen anything. But we did, however, make pizzas in their real pizza oven. So I'm gonna let you guys see that because it was amazing.
Perfect.
So yeah, this is the house. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. And it's super cold, so we're dressed like snowmen. And now we're gonna go look at a lake that is supposedly very close to here and cute and beautiful and all that. So we're gonna go check it out. We made it! Nej. Jesus, that looks scary. Well, at least we'll get a good shot if he falls in. Ooh, Skocky ducks. So, we just took our first, I hope you can hear me. I mean, the car is gonna make some noise, but we just took our first little walk down to the lake. My voice is just crazy. But yeah, you could see that. That was quite nice. It was just, there was this little trail, apparently, so you could walk around the lake, but there was just like houses, and I didn't see a trail, and I was just like, nah, maybe not. So instead, we're gonna go to what's wrong? To a nature reserve, which is really close to here, and walk a trail over there. My boyfriend got me water.
Ser nästan okej ut.
Thank you. Go. Oh, I thought I had glasses on. I was gonna. But yeah, like all the clothes I brought and all the things I brought, it's just like cozy things. This weekend is just about being cozy 24/7. I want to look like a little blob and be cozy. Maybe I should put my seatbelt on. Oh my goodness! It was just because we were backing out, and I was just like, not even realizing. Let's go! Getting close to the waterfall because I can hear it. I can definitely hear it. the car. Oh my goodness. I didn't even tell you guys. But we were gonna go to a nature reserve and we didn't find the way there. Like, we went on the smallest little dirt road you could ever imagine. And the car barely fit. If we would have what's it called when you meet another car?
Yeah.
If we would have met another car, I don't know. I don't know what would have happened. It was such a small road. I can't even talk. But yeah. So yeah, what I was saying was we went to a beautiful waterfall instead. Yes. Okay. Oh my god, I'm delirious. I need food.
Yeah, just say that.
Yeah. We're gonna go have lunch now. It's gonna be the greatest lunch ever.
Perfect.
So right now we are actually at a moose safari. Yes, you heard me right. It is a safari filled with moose. One moose, many mooses, right? I don't know. Anyway, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm kind of excited. Always wanted to go and actually see a moose close up, but they actually terrify me. Fun little fact. But I've always wanted to see them, so now we're gonna drive in the comfort of our own car. But there's gonna be mooses, and big bison things. He's got the tickets. I'm so excited! I'm so excited. I'm trying to stay calm, but I'm so excited.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god, what if there's baby mooses? Baby mooses.
Okay.
Oh, look at, they also have waffles. We just had waffles. We don't need that. Sorry. Not screaming. Hi.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Getting longer.
Hi. Are you getting wet? Oh, oi, I'm not even filming him.
Vill han inte ligga under ett träd eller någonting?
No, he doesn't want to.
That's a good girl. That's a good girl.
Are you complimenting the moose?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Så stora.
Oh my goodness. Wow. You're pretty. So is you in the background. You're also pretty. You're also pretty. Yes, yes. Wow. Wow. That is unbelievable. Just posing. Just posing. Straight up posing.
Yeah.
You look great, dear. Moose. Oh my god! You're so cute! Oh my god, you're so cute. I'm sorry I can't have my window down, but you scare me a little bit. Yeah, you scare me. It's like she's boring. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Hey, don't scare it. Oh my god, why am I not filming? I got so obsessed in the moment that I couldn't film. No, they are. But it's gonna want something from you, so it could bite you, you know? And slobber on you. Yeah. Slobber. That's a baby moose. I never thought I would see a baby moose. Boo. Richard, leave me alone. But Georgia, come back. Georgia, please, wait up for me. No, Richard, I don't want you. No. Moving on to the buffaloes. My goodness, they are big. This guy, he looks like if he would get mad at our car, he would just be like, oh, look at that baby one. Oh my goodness, this one is so sweet. They basically just look like ginormous cows, don't they? Oh, did you see that tongue action?
Yeah. To scare you.
Oh, hi. Hi. I'm sorry, did we scare you? Oh, he's like, go ahead, guys.
That's quite alright.
I'm scared. Oh, okay. Whoa. Oh God. Whoa. You were a little bit scary, I have to say. Hi.
You can't tell how big they are. I mean, they are enormous.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. Wow. Oh my God. Oh, that's our car. Oh, how are you sitting? Are you having a cozy time? Oh, did I ruin everything for you? Oh my goodness! This is the greatest ending to a beautiful stay at this little cottage. Oh, the weather is just great. I haven't seen the sun in so many days. But yeah, I bet I'm a little bit overexposed. I can't open my eyes. But yeah, I just wanted to finish off this vlog. It's been great, and we're now about to start packing up our car and heading home. And yes, I'm just so happy. Let's get Christmas going. Oh.